Now I will make some meatball sauce. Okay, put some onion. And some mushroom. Okay, take a look. So I just stir-fried some egg, so I did not clean up the pot. This way, I do not waste any of the oil. Oh, the pan is a little bit, the fire is a little bit not so clean. Anyway, so we turn the fire a bit stronger. Now I will cut the mushroom. Maybe I will cook all these champignons. Need some more cooking oil. That's a little bit too junk. Let's put some tomatoes. Not very much. We need to put maybe some hello. 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 Cover it up. Okay. So we will take a look here. So to make it more tomatoey, I will put some tomato paste a bit later. Now I can stew it. Give it half 10 20 minutes. So 10 minutes later, water is running out. We can put some tomato paste. And it requires a lot of water. Okay, so we will put some water, and this water is a protein water. I just do not want to waste it.对，那些都不需要。Let me use the complete can. Do not want to always leave a little bit here. Finish it. Okay, now it is done. I will have hard time to finish them all at one shot, so we will put into a container. Let me see if this one goes. Oh, it goes. Good. The meatball is a little bit losing its shape, but still good. Okay. So we are using the remaining today. This we will keep it aside. Homemade meatball sauce, and this we will eat it today. Bon appetito!